Hey, it's your boy, Wolfie Bro 2.0, and also I'm here with a guest named me, Josh, boy. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, we have a bag filled with Rubik's cubes. Let's get the Rubik's cubes out. And yes, I am in my garage. I have a 5x5.
Wait, you fixed it?
No.
I thought I messed
5x5, 3x3,
and a pyramid.
a pyramid, and I have one more. A mini 3x3. So what we're gonna do today is try to solve one side each.
A flip book?
Kinda. Stop going through my backpack. Stop going through my backpack. Okay. Joshy and me are gonna make one side.
Put it in the wrong place.
We don't know how to We don't know how to solve any of these, so we're gonna try to do one side.
We're the world's worst Rubik's Cube people.
I know how to do one side on this. It's kind of easy.
Mess it up.
But I'm trying to. So that's what we're gonna do today. And see you in the video.
Okay.
Joshy's gonna go with the pyramid. So Joshy, bring it down.
Okay.
And hands on the, no, don't touch it. Hands on the ground. Ready, set, go.
So one side, try to get one side down. This is intense, guys. Yes, I'm still in my garage.
Okay, now I'm going to try. There, guys, almost there. So much intense for Joshy right here.
No.
Oh,
yellow, that might work.
Bum 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 bum.
I give up.
Dun 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 dun. Let me do the 5x5. That'd be probably easier for me. Ow! She stole it. No, you cannot have it.
I'll trade you my other one.
What? You don't even have one, do you?
Yes, I do. I'll prove it.
No, I don't want it.
Do you have like an old one? That's why I wanted it. No, this is way faster. That's probably why. Not the fast one. This is made on Netflix. I got my nice station.
I finally done one side. That's
I'm messing it up.
now he's messing up my 5x5 one side. Oh my gosh, perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment down below if you want more Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube Got Talent or whatever this video is gonna be called. Anyway, see you later and goodbye. And say goodbye to our special guest.
Bye.
Also, guys, check out Sprinkle Pig. The way how you do it is go to home page on computer or iPhone, and also push channels. Then go to these channels, and go to Sprinkle Pig. Click on it, so leave a subscribe, and watch all of his videos. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.